Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Lamayer. On this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a JSON message or how to modify JSON message. This is the IBM document about JSON message. You could come right here. This is the web link. I will put this web link in the video description. So to learn about JSON, first let's say what is JSON, and you come to the W3 school. Just learn about JSON. JSON is a JavaScript object. I already have a video about that. You can learn more about it. It's lightweight data and plain text. It used to send data between computers. JSON is a language independent. It's similar like a JavaScript. It has all type of data. It supports all type of data: string, boolean, array, object of JSON, and you could do a lot of stuff on that. So if you come back right here, they describe it right here as well. JSON array and JSON object and JSON array is both by creating element on a logical message tree on the data element that owned by the JSON parser. We have a data element as well, which is on the JSON parser, and you could come and learn more about that. We will use on JSON which has anonymous array as root. Once we're using a JSON array, we will pass the array name as a JSON root element. So if you come down, there is an example. They give us, let's create this one first. JSON is a name value pair. Just remember, name, that would be name, and this will be a value. And using a curly bracket is, you could learn about JSON on a W3 school, because it is hard to teach you at the same time JSON and JSON message and also creating a hard coding on the ESQL coding stuff. So it is a good idea you learn it by yourself, or just go back to my previous video. There's another video is about JSON. You can learn it there. So is a name value pair. Is they pass them name and give them the value, and similar like name value pair, you could pass it. And the name is always string. Remember, the name is always string. So how should we hard code the JSON message? Let's copy and go back to your code, paste it right here. Let's start it from basic. We say set, we could say set output. We pass him to output. After that we pick the name, and domain is a JSON. JSON, it does an XML, and you see as a finish right here as a domain, but for right here, as we said it, we have a data on the JSON parser. This is the data. We must say JSON data, otherwise it wouldn't work. So then after that we pass them the message tree structure, and if you pay attention right here is a curly bracket, right away name value pair, and this has no title in that, like there should be a title or something, they say greeting or something, whatever. But you could do it like this way, so simple. Just right away put the message, say message, and done. And we're gonna hard coding it to equal to, and we pass it on the same string, and we place the message right here and save. So what we do, let's deploy that and run and see. Okay, now it's fine. Now just send anything, because we are hard coding it. You will see it and finish it. Let's go inside to see it, and we just create it. If you check right here is nothing it come, but if you check the output, we create a JSON data and message hello world. Let's complete it and see JSON hello world we created. So let's say if this has a title as well. So how should we fix that? If it has a title, we just go inside of that. Let's say this is the object of JSON. This has an inside of object, and we tell them greeting something. We say greeting. Then after that we give them a colon again. We will pass it, because it usually work on a curly bracket and handed curly bracket we pass. So now this how should we do this one? Same thing, like when it's message, we pass it right here. We separate it by the point. You say dot. Now first is greeting, then message. We pass them that message hello world, and this is the same thing. Let's deploy and check if it works. Deploy. I don't wanna debug it and terminate it. let's just send the message and see. See, now we see it has a title too, greeting, message, hello world. We could add that one, but let's say if we could extend the message, let's say for example if this has another child, if not only one child, just hello world, if this has another child, then we separate it with comma, and once you separate it with comma, you add another child, whatever child you want it, but make sure it is on a double quotation. Let me put it on a same because they're causing the issue, because it's and also no name anything right here. You could say second message, see, let's make it simple, second message, second word. So how should we do that? How should we add it right here? Or you could add more sibling to it, more child to it. How should we do that? If you want to do that, we're creating again another one, copy paste. This one is greeting, message, and message 2. We copy that one, the tag of the name message 2, we passed it, and we also take the value, pass it right here. So let me check what is the issue. The problem is on a name convention we do not start it with a number. We must put it somewhere at the end is okay, but not with at the beginning. Just follow the name convention, that's why. Let's deploy and see. Let's deploy and see. Navigate it, greeting, message 1 and message 2. You could add more to it, it's up to you. Let's make it a little bit complicated and then go back. Let's say if we kinda have another inside, we have another object similar, how should we do it? Let's say if I have it, I'm gonna copy up to right here. We gave them a comma again, that would be comma, use the quotation. Okay, now we have we pass the comma, is a second greeting. Again, I will pass a second greeting, and the message is same as okay. So how should we do that? And I will copy that one because the value is same thing. What I will do, the second greeting is passing to a second one. So if it's repeating, it's fine. If it's inside another a different name, we just pass it directly to right here. So we now pass it, and second message, second words, all is same thing. Let's deploy and see. Okay, now let's deploy and let's send a message. Now we got the second message. And one, I have a one object for the JSON, and I have another one. So you could keep adding more to it. Even you could add to this one. Let's say, how should I add more sibling to this one? You go back to your message. Let's say if I want a message to this one, right here we pass them. Can I do that? Because I'm not sure, but still I'm gonna do. I could add name, all this, name, comma, value, name, value. So how should we do that? Because this has also the first message has a name and value. So the first message go to a name, I will say name, first message name, and this has a value. I'm gonna first let's copy this one. I'm gonna copy, make it, because I still need the first one, that's why I don't wanna. Let's say I wanna bring the changes to this one, copy, because it come to greeting, message, greeting message, the name, then we pass the value, whatever value is right here we pass it right here. And the second hello world is also greeting message, is a there has no value. This has this first message has no value. We will just close it because the second one has a hello world. See, the second message has a hello world. And so let's run and see how this gonna work. So now we bring a changes, we add the name value pair. So the first time it does not deploy, that's why. If you send it now, you see it coming, message has a name value pair. So you could play with it and add it. So that was the basic of that. But let's say work with array and many object of Java. How should we work with array? I'll see you on the next video.